Okay guys, today we're going to show you how to carry out a service procedure on the Grab 90 rail from Plumline. So firstly, we're going to remove the element. So get a pair of long nose pliers, and down in the leg, the top leg, you'll see the green connector. That needs to be pulled up carefully with the pliers. Sometimes it will come a little bit loose on the top there, but that's fine, we can sort that later. So remove the complete element. It's just like a wire that gets inserted down into the tube. That's the heating element. Then you remove the top cap by unscrewing. Now inside here you'll see the nut of the bolt that is holding the leg on. Now you insert a Allen key in there and use some pliers, some long nose pliers in the rail to hold on to the nut. Once that's loose, the nut will come out. Just retain that for future use. Then you can pull the leg straight off. Then what we have there is the insert that is part of the push fit connector. So that's the female part. So in regards to the green connector and the element wire, you'll notice that it has some black tails on the end. These are called cold tails, and they are so that you can secure it to the green connector, and also so they don't get too hot via the element, therefore melting the green connector if it gets too hot. So here we go, loosening the terminal, and then twist the wire and insert it into the terminal. Tighten the terminal up, and that should be complete. So that's the element repaired with the cold tails. Okay, so in regards to assembly, please make sure you have the black connector. This is to ensure that this is the correct material. If you don't, please call us at Plumline and we will provide you with the correct parts. So what happens now is, with assembly, this part here, the internal part, goes inside the leg. Make sure it's pressed firmly inside there. Insert the bolt by holding the bolt straight up and down on the Allen key and then inserting it into the bottom of the leg. Make sure the bolt goes into the leg and into the rail correctly in the correct orientation. Next, insert the nut into the rail. You can use a finger or long nose pliers, whatever's easiest for you. Once the bolt is tight, due to the curve on the rail, it should hold itself. You shouldn't need to hold it with a spanner or those long nose pliers. That's nice and tight now. Please do not over tighten it. So assembling the element into the rail again, pinch the end of the element at the halfway mark and put a slight bend on it so that when it inserts in, it will find its way down the rail. As you can see, this has been inserted down through there, and the cold tail's going down after that. So give it a small wriggle around and you should find the cold tails will go down quite easily. Then get your long nose pliers and grip the end of the green connector and it should go down. Please ensure that the green connector is the correct way up and not pinching any wires, and is the correct orientation to the corresponding green connector on the wall. Replace the top cap and screw it up as shown. Please make sure not to cross thread this. You may need to wind it anti-clockwise before clockwise tightening it up. Hand tight is fine. Well, I hope this helps. This is another tutorial video from Plumline. Thanks for watching.